Hey, this is the Decor Vlog again. Today I'm going to show you my mock. It is a party boat. And let's begin. Right here, I put a little glass to like a little glass, you can see it there. Just for detail. There used to be people on the boat, but just showing you the boat today. And the top has lights. As you can see, there's a red one, green one, and an orange one, and a black post that has a blue light there, and like in the nighttime and everything, it blinks. And right here, I don't know if you can see that, there's a chair, and right here, look at the camera right there. Kind of see it. It's a, well, I can see it. It's the control panel. It controls the boat and everything. And here's the back. It has transparent green and red lights in the back. And here's some posts to hold up the roof. And the bottom with a fireboat thingy, it's pretty old. It's from a few years ago, like 19 something. And that's it. This is the Decor Vlog signing out.